Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is Bett&win. For those of you who never start rollover, that also want to start rollover of just two games rollover, maybe on Sporty or Zoom Soccer or Betano. So in case you are ready, you can chat me on WhatsApp, or don't forget, on the description of this video I'll be posting the link to our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is available and ready, so on the description of this video just go and join our Telegram channel. Alright, I'll be dropping some trees on Zoom Soccer, but first of all I want to introduce this two games rollover, only two games rollover on any of bet sites. For example, Betano, Sporty, or Zoom Soccer. So for some of you that want a Zoom Soccer, because you know Zoom Soccer is more faster than normal soccer. It's more faster. If it's on Zoom Soccer, you can do like rollover 3 times in a day. But if it's a normal soccer, that one can be just once. But if it's on Zoom Soccer, you can do rollover for 3 times a day. So just like something like this. Just something like this. You pick only two. Whether you have 1.50 odd or 1.60 odd or 2 odd, it depends the odd. We'll go with it. Maybe a stretch winning or over 1.5 goals. So all we choose is two games. Two games, so you can stake high. Highest we choose 3, but we'll focus on 2 games. Highest we'll pick only 3 games, but will not pass more than 3 games. Highest 3 games, but we prefer choosing only 2, because when you stake high on 2, there is more hope on staking only 2 games, especially over, stretch, double chance, and under goals. But mostly we use over 1, stretch, win, and double chance. So in case you're interested on rollover, you can chat me on WhatsApp. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Below the description of this video, you will see the link to join our Telegram channel. Join us on Telegram. But in case you still want to chat me direct on WhatsApp, WhatsApp number is 07036760527. Alright, let's go straight to Zoom Soccer. Oh, this one is Sporty. Let's go straight to Zoom Soccer. I'll be using Bet app. I always use Bet app. So let's start from how to use go and over 2.5 to play over 1. Go and over 2.5 to play over 1. This is how you do it. Once you come here on go and you see 2.43, assuming you see something like 2.20 here, like let me see if I can see it here. Assuming you see something like 2.20, that is 220 on go and over 2.5, you go and play it over 1.5. It's working perfectly. You can even use it to play over 2.5. If you want to use it to do rollover, you can just pick only it and continue with it. You can just pick only it and stake high 2.20 on England or on Portugal. If you see it with a big team home, it's perfect. But if you see it with big team away, you can just play it over 1.5. Don't play it over 2.5 if big team is away. Then if the big team that is away and home has like 7 odd or 6 odd, you play it only over 1.5. That's how it works. Alright guys, use these trees to play over 1.5. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Alright, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. See you there. Thank you for watching guys.